When you think about Sebo versus Miele, you're really looking at two of the finest examples of German engineering in the vacuum world. Both brands are known for durability, performance, and longevity, but they bring different personalities to the table. With Sebo, you feel the strength of a professional-grade tool in your hands, while Miele offers an experience that feels refined, quiet, and luxurious. Take the Sebo Automatic X4 and the Miele Complete C3, for example. The Sebo X4 is an upright vacuum that feels almost industrial in its sturdiness, yet it's intuitive to use. You notice the way it automatically adjusts its brush height to suit the surface beneath it, so you don't have to think about whether you're on carpet or hard flooring. The Miele Complete C3, by contrast, is a canister vacuum that feels elegant and precise. You glide the wand across the floor, and with the touch of a button, you can adjust suction power for everything from curtains to thick rugs. The difference here is not about power, both are strong, but about personality. One feels like a rugged partner that takes charge, while the other feels like a graceful assistant that responds to your every command. Now, before we dive deeper into the comparison, just a quick note that you can find links in the description box below to check the current prices of the models we're talking about. Suction is another area where you notice their distinct approaches. The Sebo X4 gives you that vigorous, almost aggressive pull on carpeting, making it especially satisfying if you have pets or high-pile rugs. You can feel it lifting deep down grit and hair. The Miele C3, on the other hand, offers 6 suction settings, and the motor hum is smooth and quiet. It's particularly appealing if you want to switch from vacuuming a delicate area rug to tackling a heavy carpet without missing a beat. Which style do you think would fit your home better, the automatic adjustments of the Sebo or the fingertip control of the Miele? If you look at another pairing, the Sebo Airbelt K3 and the Miele Blizzard CX1, you'll see two very different takes on canister design. The Sebo K3 is compact yet powerful, with an airbelt bumper that protects your walls and furniture as you move it around. You'll notice how light and maneuverable it feels, while still giving you the confidence of strong suction and a durable build. The Miele Blizzard CX1, on the other hand, is Miele's Bagless canister model. It feels futuristic, with its transparent dust container and hygienic emptying system that releases debris with minimal dust exposure. Here, the question isn't which is better, but whether you prefer the bagged efficiency of the Sebo K3 or the sleek bagless convenience of the Miele. Filtration is another area where these models shine differently. The Sebo X4 and K3 use S-Class filtration, leaving the air crisp and fresh after you vacuum. You notice the difference, especially in homes with pets or dust sensitivity. The Miele C3 and Blizzard CX1 use HEPA air clean systems with sealed casings that ensure no particles escape. The feeling is one of total containment, which is especially reassuring if you or your family deal with allergies. Even the details of the bags and bins highlight their philosophies. Sebo's bags in the X4 and K3 are generously sized, designed for efficiency and fewer changes. You get the sense that you can clean for weeks without thinking about replacements. Miele's bags in the C3 are smaller but multi-layered and self-sealing, giving you a sense of perfect hygiene when you dispose of them. With the Blizzard CX1, you skip bags altogether, instead enjoying the satisfaction of seeing exactly what you've collected in the clear bin. Durability and warranties also stand out. Sebo's X4 and K3 both come with a 10-year warranty, and you can feel the solid build quality that backs that up. They're designed to withstand years of heavy use. Miele's C3 and CX1 typically carry a 5-year warranty, but they're tested for a 20-year lifespan, and the smooth, precise engineering gives you confidence that they'll deliver on that promise. Do you tend to use your vacuum lightly a few times a week, or do you put it through heavy daily use? That might help you decide which approach to durability makes more sense for you. So when you compare specific models, the Miele versus Sebo decision becomes about more than just brand personality. The Sebo X4 offers automatic adjustments and rugged upright power, while the Miele C3 gives you quiet, customizable suction in a sleek canister design. The Sebo K3 offers compact, bagged convenience with protective features, while the Miele Blizzard CX1 brings bagless efficiency with advanced filtration. Each one represents excellence, but in a way that feels tailored to different lifestyles. In the end, the Sebo versus Miele choice isn't about one being better than the other. It's about whether you want the professional strength and durability of Sebo or the refined elegance and versatility of Miele. Both will leave your home cleaner, fresher, and more comfortable. It's just a matter of which experience feels like the right fit for you.